Hello! Today I'm talking about the uses of present continuous tense. We use this tense to show that something is happening now or isn't happening now. You're learning English now, you're not swimming now. Now can mean at this exact moment of speaking, or can mean this year, this century, this month, so on. Also, we use this tense to show that we are in the process of doing a longer action in progress. Още използваме това време, когато говорим за едно по-продължително действие, което е в процес. I'm studying to become a doctor. Уча за да стана лекар. I can say this sentence while I'm eating dinner in a restaurant. Мога да кажа това изречение, когато вечерям в ресторант. Next we use this tense to indicate that something will or won't happen in the near future. Usually we make a plan or arrangement when we have already decided something. I'm meeting some friends after work. I'm not going to the party tonight. Ще се срещна с приятели след работа. Аз няма да отида на партито до вечера. Some speakers use this tense with always or constantly to show that something irritating happens. She's always coming to class late. He's constantly talking. I wish he would shut up. В някои случаи се използва това време с думичките always и constantly, за да се покаже, че нещо дразнещо се случва често. Като, например, тя винаги закъснява за час, той постоянно разговаря, искам той да замълчи. That's all about uses of present continuous tense.